Yo, what's up? How you doing? Today I'm in Legian again. Such a loud bike at the beginning of my video. This is the Poser pub and this is the corner of Padma Street and Padma Utara, which is North Padma. I'm gonna show you by some people this is little Australia. Bali have already little Moscow in Django, but Padma area is famous for the Australian community. Long time ago it was called like Little Australia. I'm gonna show you this one today. So let's get started with the Poser pub. It's just literally in the corner here. And let's go to the north. Here we go, Poser pub for everybody. Pretty busy, not so bad. And Padma Utara, that's the name of the street. Also, well, there's so much Australian people here, and also so many bars, Australian bars here. And also shops, spas, massage parlors, anything you like you can find here. So it's actually pretty cool area, I could say, of Bali. And this area during the pandemic was extremely, but literally extremely deserted, probably one of the most deserted places in Bali. I even make a video what hit over 600,000 views saying Bali gone forever. Luckily, I was wrong at that time because Bali is getting back. People are coming back, as you can see on the left, on the right. Businesses are come back. Most of the places are open, and well, it's just very optimistic to walk here right now in the March 2023. And one of the characteristic places here is Y Bar actually. Y Bar is also back and it's busier and busier each time I'm passing this street. Here we go. So many happy people enjoying their drinks. Oops, and nearly full. Hello, how you doing? Yeah. Very good today. Happy to see busy again. Thank you. So happy. Ladies, waiters are happy. Everybody are happy now in Bali, but especially Legian Padma is getting better and better. Not sure if the dwarf boxing is back. However, people inside the bar definitely back, and most of the businesses are open. This is what is the most important. And that was one of the Aussie bars, just in case if you would like to go and having some drink or watching some Australian sports. This place is foreign, actually very nice place, very nice building, but not sure how about the price. This one looks like an Italian restaurant called Sud. Some coffee shop here also. This is everything here actually is pretty new. Only the stalls with the, like bags and all of these clothes and stuff. You can buy the sunglasses or the shaped bottle opener. This is old, but the rest, come back to normal. And there's so many new businesses. Even this hotel, what is the name? The Three Brothers Inn. It's open. That's really very optimistic to see. And the restaurant, what they make it recently, also is very nice. I will tell you, E2. And the ladies here looking for the menu. So happy days. Beautiful mural as well here. You see there are some ladies here, and this is the Ibis Legian Hotel, also open, keeping quiet. Look at who I found. Sayang! Oh my God, be careful how you step. This is like scary stuff. And yeah, let's go. Sayang, let's go. Winnie don't have a microphone today. If you wanna say something, you have to hug me very quick.
Hi.
Winnie was tired. She said, I don't wanna make a video today, just gonna sit in the cafe. But then I found her after 5 minutes of vlogging. That's how does it look like. And yeah, most of the businesses are back here. That's actually very good. I'm very happy with that. And just behind the Ibis in Legian, there's some brand new restaurant. Looking very nice. They built to fit the cables actually like perfectly, but really nice. And no, very nice actually, I'm gonna tell you, very nice. And all of these businesses here during the pandemic times, they were literally closed, one of them, every single one. Without the apps, it was like totally deserted. If I could make a video like half screen of the last shot and half screen the new shot, that will be perfect. Probably I have to do it one day. And there's some tour operator selling, like, I mean the agent. Okay, this place, it's closed, but everything were looking like this one during the pandemic time. And then we have a corner with grand scenery in the hotel. You can see actually two flags, Australian flag and South African flag. I hope I didn't make a mistake, but as I know, that's the flags. and the hotel is actually here. It's open, the bars, is restaurant open, everything. From the beach side is also open. Still not that busy on the streets, but at least all the businesses are open again. That's very optimistic, including the tattoo studios. So technically, if you're gonna stroll around Legian streets, especially Padma Uttara North Legian Street, there will be so many people made from Australia, which is nothing wrong, because I just do the study since I come back from my trips from Southeast Asia, and I just realized as the local people and everybody in general way more prefer Australian people, no matter of what the past, because sometimes people making silly things as well, rather than Russians. So, well, that's how it is. If you don't like Russian, definitely you have to avoid. Yo, what's up? How you doing? You see, all happy girls. I believe from Australia. If you wanna avoid Russian people, definitely you have to avoid Canggu and probably Ubud as well. If you prefer to be surrounded with the Australian community, definitely Legian, Kuta, up to Seminyak is place for you. Also Sanur. But also in these places you can find people from all around the world. That's without any problem. It's nothing wrong with that. Just there will be so many TV programs, sports, and the flags from Australia.
Super happy that to see how it is nowadays, because previously I think that one of Damian's video here with the massage ladies, the two massage ladies, remember honey? Over there.
I remember.
When it was pandemic time, it's just like literally nobody. But now seeing this, so happy, you know. So yeah.
Also the corner bar here and everything is open, taxi drivers waiting for you, of course, no problem. And that was the most scary corner looking, because every single business here were closed, there was nobody here, nothing was here, and the nature was already taking slowly the buildings. Actually that's confirmed, you can watch my old video. But now everything, literally everything back to, okay, I'm not gonna say it's back to normal, because it's still not so crowded, but definitely without any doubts is simply everything open here, and that's already optimistic. Markshot is closer, but I think they open at morning for breakfast only at 6 a.m. Locals come back with their business, and all the things are just simply open. So it's definitely better than the better. Vibe is cozy. I can confirm also I didn't spot single Russian today here as well. And in case if you one of the haters asking if you are Russian, I'm from Poland, so I'm not the Russian either. Yeah, I could call myself Australian as well. Why not? Massage ladies here, in case if you would like to have a massage. And yeah, some people. This is something new bar here with the nice firewood pizza, I believe. This is actually something, look at the name, Bali Aussie. So actually sometimes, last time somebody said Bali Australia, no, Bali Aussie, how you doing? So they prepare the bars for their community. Yo, what's up, don't worry. That's how does it look like. This is what you can expect. And taxi drivers, of course, no shortage of taxi drivers. And also if you go ever in the small gangs like this one, some small gangs are like small alleys, you can find so many private villas over there. And yeah, that's simply how does it look like. Padma Uttara, nearly the end, but let's get to the corner. Yo, what's up? And that's how does it look like in general. Massage, everything is open here again. Really happy days. Last time, actually, when there was the situation of the pandemic, I used to drive here because there was no traffic at all. It was easy to make a video. Now it will be pretty difficult to do it again, like this one. But you can have so merchandise and everything away by Chamakila. Yo, what's up? How you doing, brother? What you selling today?
Waiting coffee.
Ah, okay. Copy Bali and pop me. Hello? Hello? Oh, sorry, brother. Sorry. How you doing?
Sorry.
It's okay. All is good. Everybody are in general friendly. Yo, what's up? Hello. So yeah, that's a regular afternoon stroll today. And this is legendary place also called Fat Buddha actually, sorry. Fat Buddha here, also open. Yo, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Yo, how you doing? Hello. Yo, what's up? So as you see, this is totally different vibes. You might like Legian, you might hate Legian. People love Bali and hate Bali. There are people who hate Kuta, Legian, Seminyak, and people who love Kuta, Legian, Seminyak. So it's all depends what you are looking, and you can let me know in the comment section, as always, which area you prefer, because I can go tomorrow to Canggu. I don't mind. I'm neutral to any kind of, to any part of Bali actually. Hello. Yo, what's up? How you doing, brother? Thank you so much. And just let me know. I'm very curious. And this is already the corner. Where's the Zest Hotel? $5. What is for $5? What is for $5? Everything for $5? Very good stuff.
What's wrong with this one? What's wrong?
Whoa, which?
Maybe cheap for you.
What, this? What? Oh, no.
Anything inside?
Oh, no, I cannot. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. So funny, you can always deal with the local sellers, vendors, they are happy. This hotel is for 415,000 rupiah per night, which is not so bad. And this is the corner of the Jayakarta Hotel Bali, actually, here in the corner. And some bars. I'm gonna take you to the stroll into this area over here. There are actually some Aussie bars as well in the corner. And this is the Zest Hotel restaurant. So this is the, also this area is famous for the Aussie bars, as I mentioned. Many Aussie expats own places here. One of them is Sugar Ray at the corner, actually. I make a video during the pandemic because he was the only one guy here open at that time. He and maybe somebody else, I don't remember, but that was the time when nothing was here. It was very depressing to making videos here, to be honest with you guys. After 2-3 years, I gonna tell you, it was very depressing. Now it's definitely good. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Hi. Yo, what's up? So it's totally different. I didn't actually know as the goat is open here. Hello, how you doing? Good, how are you? And yeah, that's simply, that's how it looks like. I'm gonna show you till the end. There's the tattoo studio also. You can make some nice tats like this, some spa, of course. And there's actually a piece of land for rent in case if you'd like to make some business. Yeah, what's up? And you see, everybody in general are very happy. Chapter 2 is here in the corner. I think we're gonna meet somebody today also here. That's why I'm filming here. So chapter 2 here. Yo, what's up? I think they are waiting for us already. And this is the Sugar Ray also. I don't know if he is here, but I used to vlog here. And keeping like this one. Also this hotel, Kusnadi something, it was like for 100 or 200k, 3 million per month last time during the pandemic, but definitely no, it's not anymore like this one. Let's go. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome. I'm from Poland. Oh, how do you know? The same as me. You get little bit sunburn, but yeah. That's good. How you doing? Hello, how you doing? Oh, what's up? How you doing? Oh my God, everybody watch me here. How you doing? Everybody know me here. I'm the superstar. Yeah. Well, long story.
All right, so today we met a subscriber from
Melbourne.
So happy.
How you doing? All
I'm
good?
doing excellent. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi. You're not here.
Okay.
So
All good.
special say hi to his mom and dad in Australia. They are not coming to
They're at home.
Okay.
They're at home.
Okay, I think that's all our video from Padma Utara area. So happy to see that everything slowly picking up. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you.
See you.
And see you people. See ya. Bye. See you tomorrow, okay?